I would love to show you today two different possible levels in the cinematography. This is the cinema quality, professional quality camcorder from Panasonic. I'm sure you recognize which one is this. And here is Prosumer quality from Canon. Some people call this Canon professional, but it's not. Look at the professional machine. This is right here, and I show you why. This is the accessibility of the controls on the professional machine, and if you look on the prosumer, of course it's completely missing. Everything is hidden in the menus, and to get to it you have to be digging through using the touch screen. Don't get me wrong, I'm very happy with this Canon XA10, but it's a prosumer camcorder. It's not the professional camcorder like this Panasonic. This is absolutely different quality. However, I'm downsizing from the Panasonic down to the Canon because for the kind of work I do in video, I really don't need all these features and all these options which this professional camcorder gives me, and I'm perfectly good with this one. The quality of the video coming of the Panasonic is absolutely incredible. By the way, all these three lenses worked perfectly, and all of them actually allow the autofocus, which was incredibly great. However, I really love to work with this Canon, and I'm enjoying the quality of the video. The lens is fantastic. Different angle comparison of these two incredible camcorders. Just another comparison shot to show the difference in the size and give you idea how these two worlds compare. So here we go. This is very small comparison between these two worlds. It's not some detailed test, I'm just showing you how big they are and how they look next to each other. I'm going to sell the Panasonic and all the lenses, so it's basically saying goodbye today.